ChatGPT mobile app just had its best month ever. Why people keep flocking to it? A new model pushed OpenAI ChatGPT app to new heights. A new voice mood could push it even higher. The ChatGPT mobile surge is still in full effect. Back in May, we reported how users were flocking to the mobile app version of ChatGPT primarily because of the introduction of a new model GPT Negative 4.0 that introduces faster performance, multi-modal capabilities, and a new voice mode. People are still flocking to the app as it pulled in $28 million in revenue in July, its best month ever. Also want a free year of Perplexity Pro. Here how to claim it and why you should. The data comes from app figures which reported that the number is actually after the Google Play Store and Apple App Store take their free fees. Before fees, ChatGPT take was $39.9 million, figuring in a price of $19.99 a month. That works out to write a had 20 lakh paid subscribers. App figure points out that revenue for ChatGPT was already growing well this year, but GPT Negative 4.0 in May caused a 40% jump, while the GPT Negative 4.0 model was made available to all users, even free ones. It was not free on the app version, leading to a spike in subscriptions. The app has not reached that percentage jump since, but growth has still been quite strong. Interestingly, the vast majority of ChatGPT mobile users have Apple devices. App figures data shows that the App Store made up 83% of the app revenue, a number that was up 20% from the prior month. Earlier this year, OpenAI teased a new advanced voice mode that offers more realistic interactions. The mode was set to roll out in June, but the company said it needed more time to improve the model ability to detect and refuse certain content and to prepare its infrastructure to scale while maintaining real-time responses. OpenAI still has not deployed it fully. It's only available to a small group of ChatGPT Plus users. Also can Perplexity Pro help you code it asked my programming tests thanks to GPT Negative 4. The new voice mode can understand and respond with emotions and non-verbal cues. OpenAI says making the experience even more like a natural human conversations. When that now new mode fully rolls out, you have to imagine the number of subscribers will increase even more. The data comes from app figures which reported that the number is actually after the Google Play Store and Apple App Store takes their fees. Before fees, ChatGPT take was $39.9 million, figuring in a price of $19.99 a month. That works out